Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video, I will be showing how you can mirror your mobile screen and project it to your PC. First of all, on your Windows PC, go to Settings. Then click System. Scroll down and click Projecting to this PC. Click on Optional Features, link at the top. Select Add a feature, then enter Wireless Display. Check the wireless display option and install. After the installation is complete, go back and launch the Connect app to project your mobile device to your PC. Now head over to your mobile phone. Swipe from the top and tap on Cast icon. If you do not have Cast option, tap on Settings and search for Cast. Then tap on Cast. Now tap on three-dot icon and check Enable Wireless Display. Now you can see the list of all the wireless display options available for you to connect. Select your laptop name. Now your mobile screen will be mirrored on your computer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.